If you're looking for accommodation in Kamares, we found a place with some of the best views in the bay and a genuinely luxurious feel. But getting there does involve a bit of a climb. If you're deciding whether the location and experience are worth it, this review might just give you the information you need. Hey peeps, welcome back to Time to Go Places. Today we're sharing our experience staying at Arcos Suites in Kamares on the island of Sifnos. Arcos Suites sits partway up the hill above Kamares, about a 15 to 20 minute walk from the port. Roughly about half of that walk is uphill, and if you're doing it with luggage and after a long ferry trip, it can feel like a bit of a climb. But I promise you, once you're up here, the views really do make it worthwhile. We stayed in a standard double room, which is the entry-level category here. Check-in was smooth and the staff were very welcoming. The suites are located higher up and offer even better views. Here's a look inside the standard room we stayed in. The balcony overlooks the bay. From this floor, you mainly see the hillside and the view across the water. Even though the breakfast area is directly below, we didn't hear any noise from it during our stay. The room is bright and comfortable with a simple layout and everything you need for a few nights. Inside the room, there's a large bed, a small seating area, and plenty of storage for clothes. The room comes with a QR code that gives you access to the Wi-Fi and information about the island. There's a small mini fridge, which is handy for keeping drinks and snacks cool. The bathroom is spacious with a large walk-in shower and plenty of room around the vanity for toiletries. We were also welcomed with a few small gifts, including local treats and a bottle of wine, which was a really thoughtful touch. I did find the bed to be firm, much firmer than I'm used to. So I asked at reception for an extra blanket and placed it under the bottom sheet, and that softened it nicely. If you prefer a softer mattress, this tip might just make a big difference. Breakfast is ordered the day before using the menu provided. The menu is surprisingly extensive, with several pages of cooked dishes, pastries, fruit, yogurt, and drinks to choose from. Everything we tried was fresh, well prepared, and generously proportioned. Timing is very relaxed, with breakfast served between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. The pool area has an infinity edge with panoramic views over the bay, along with in-ground and poolside sunbeds to relax on. It's a peaceful spot, and during our stay, it never felt crowded. In the evenings, it was very relaxing with no noise from the town below. Being slightly higher on the hillside means it's quieter than the centre of Kamares, and the views are a constant highlight. The staff are incredibly friendly and helpful. For our stay in late August 2025, we paid around €155 per night, including breakfast and all the taxes. This accommodation is ideal for travellers who want beautiful views, a quieter setting, and a stay that feels a little more luxurious. We really enjoyed our stay here, and for us, the balance between the views, the comfort, and the location worked well. We hope this review helps you decide whether this location would be the right fit for your holiday. Please don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. We really enjoy seeing our travel community grow. And don't forget to join us on our next adventure, because it's time to go places.